bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. Remove the panel to have access to the air filter housing. Unclip the cord from the panel. Remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. With its airflow indicating arrow pointing down, install your new AQ1223C filter into the housing. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the panel. Reinstall the cord. Reinstall the screws. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Hook the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.